Ready, set, puzzle! Discover our brand new Speedy puzzle, the first ever gamified puzzle for kids by Ravensburger. Challenge your body and your brain with the new multiplayer puzzle concept. With every round, kids jump into a mix of puzzling and playful challenges, keeping minds sharp and bodies moving. It's all about speed, laughter, and the thrill of being the fastest to finish. Inside the box, colorful puzzles, exciting activity tokens, and a buzzer that brings the energy. Ready, set, puzzle with Speedy Puzzle by Ravensburger.